Hello everyone, how are you? This is your English teacher, Aya Raja. Today, inshallah, the outcomes of our lesson, students should be able to 1. Answer some questions about the day the sea went out story. 2. Identify different ways of spelling the I sound. Let's start. Okay, here. What can we learn from the story? Color the words. Okay, what can you learn from the day the sea went out story? ماذا نتعلم من هذه القصة؟ Yes. Thank you. Quick thinking can help to save people. Thank you. Quick thinking can help to save people. التفكير بسرعة يساعد في إنقاذ حياة الناس. Okay, in the day the sea out story, in the day the sea went out story في هذه القصة, Tilly remember her geography lesson. تذكرت درسها الجغرافيا about a tsunami. Okay, and she told her parents and other people, أخبرت والديها والناس الآخرون to run away from the beach. To run away, يهربوا from the beach. Okay, so quick thinking can help to save people. التفكير بسرعة يساعد في إنقاذ حياة الناس. Okay, let's move to this question. Look and read. Choose the correct words and write them on the lines. Okay, here we have a hut, كوخ. Here a hotel, فندق. Here a snorkel, هو عبارة عن snorkel أنبوب تستطيع التنفس من خلاله تحت الماء. A sand castle, قلعة رملية. A tourist, سائح. A beach ball, كرة الشاطئ. A tsunami, and as we said that it's a big wave, هي موجة كبيرة that damaged the beach, تدمر الشاطئ. And an ice cream. Okay, let's start. This is a building you stay here when you are on holiday. عندما تكون في العطلة. It's a building you stay here. هو عبارة عن مبنى تقيم فيه. On holiday, it's a hotel. Okay, number 2. This is very cold. You eat it and it tastes sweet. بارد. You eat it, تأكله, and it tastes sweet. طعمه حلو. What's it? Yes, the answer? An ice cream. Thank you. You can breathe underwater with it. تستطيع التنفس تحت الماء من خلاله. Thank you. A snorkel. Number 4. This is a very big wave. It's very dangerous. The answer? Thank you. A tsunami. Number 5. This is a small building. Some are houses. Some are shops. بعضها houses وبعضها shops. محلات. The answer? Thank you. A hut. Thank you. Number 6. Children like to build this on the beach. يحبوا أن يبنوه على الشاطئ. The answer? Thank you. A sand castle. Number 7. This is a person who is on holiday. A person, شخص. Thank you. A tourist, سائح. Okay, here write the words in 4 groups. Here we have 4 groups, 4 مجموعات. The first group is related to emergencies. متعلقة بالطوارئ. okay. For example, accident. Number 2, here this group is related to vehicles مركبات for emergency services لخدمات الطوارئ. Number 3, this group is related to something you eat شيء تأكله. And number 4, for example, hot, yes, related to, yes, something on the beach شيء على الشاطئ. Okay, let's start. Fire, thank you, is related to emergencies, له علاقة بالطوارئ. Fire engine, thank you, it's a vehicle مركبة for emergency services. Thank you. Flood, thank you, for emergencies للطوارئ. Okay. Ice cream, thank you, something you eat. Police car, thank you, it's a vehicle مركبة. Sandcastle, something you find on the beach. Thank you. Snorkel, thank you, something you find in the beach. Snorkel, you can breathe with it under the water. تستطيع التنفس من خلاله تحت الماء. Okay. Vanilla shake, yes, something you eat or drink. Thank you. Okay, now let's move to phonics. Listen and say. Now you will listen well, okay?
Listen and say. I. A knight in bright tights writes rhymes by candlelight. A knight in bright tights writes rhymes by candlelight. A knight in bright tights writes rhymes by candlelight.
Okay, now let's read together. Repeat after me. I. Again, I. Thank you. Here, a night. We pronounce these letters as I. Night. Repeat after me. A night. Thank you. Again, a night. Thank you. In bright. Bright, we pronounce these letters as I. Okay? Bright. Bright. Again, bright. Thank you. Tights. Tights, we pronounce these letters as I. نلفظ هذه الحروف as I. Tights. Okay, here, rights. I. Rights. Repeat after me. Rights. Okay, here the letter is I. Okay, rhymes. Rhymes. Here the letter Y. We pronounce this letter, لفظنا هذا الحرف as I. Rhymes. Repeat after me. Rhymes. By. I. We pronounce Y as I. Okay, لفظنا the letter Y as the sound I. Candlelight. Light. Candlelight. We pronounce these letters, هذه الحروف, as I. Okay, candlelight. Repeat after me. Candlelight. Okay, thank you. Repeat after me. I. Again, I. Here you can find I sound صوت ال I in these letters في هذه الحروف. I here in this letter I. For example, right, right, here I, right. Find, I, find. Side, I, side. And tired, I, tired. Okay, I. Okay, you can find the sound I in these letters. I, G, H. For example, fight. Here, fight. We pronounce these letters as I, fight. Here, night, night, night. And right, right. Okay, and you can find I sound in this letter Y. The letter Y, حرف ال Y ممكن نلفظه I مثل rhyme. Here rhyme لفظنا ال Y as I, rhyme. Repeat after me, rhyme. Okay, try لفظناها I. fly لفظناها ماذا؟ I. Okay.
We were watching TV.
Now, let's do this exercise. Listen and write the missing words. Then say with a friend. هنا سنملأ الفراغات بالكلمات المفقودة. Okay, so listen well.
Page 39. 1. Listen and write the missing words. Then say with a friend.
1. Where are you going?
Back to my planet.
Can I come with you?
Of course you can.
Great, but I need to be back for tea at 6 o'clock. 2. There was an accident outside our house last night. We were watching TV and suddenly there was this loud noise. I ran to the window and saw 2 cars. Did you call the police? No, I didn't, because I could see that no one was hurt, and one of them was a police car.
Okay, now let's answer. Where are you going? Here, this is a report. Okay, where are you going? Back to my planet. إلى كوكبي. عائد إلى كوكبي. Yes, thank you. Can I come with you? Of course you can. Great, but I need to be back for tea at 6 o'clock. Okay, number 2. There was an accident outside. حادث, accident. Our house last night, we were watching TV and suddenly there was this loud noise. كان هذا الإزعاج بصوت عالي. I ran to the window and saw 2 cars. Did you call the police? No, I didn't, because I could see that no one was hurt. لم يكن هناك أحد أصيب بالأذى. And one of them was a police car. Okay, كان أحدهم كان a police car. Okay, let's move to the next question here. Complete the words. سنكمل هذه الكلمات. Here, who is this? Yes, night. Okay, here, what color is this? ما هذا اللون? Thank you, white. Number 3. What is this? What is this? البرق. Thank you. Lightning. البرق. Okay, here. What the time is this? Yes, thank you. Midnight. Midnight. Okay, here. Who is this? Thank you. Firefighter. Firefighter. Here. What's this? Thank you. Kite. طيارة ورقية. Kite. Repeat after me. Night. Thank you. White. Lightning. Midnight. Firefighter. Kite. Okay, thank you all. Have a nice day. Big bye.